Good morning, guys. We got a new Temu haul. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I'm super excited for it. Let's go. I got a lot of things this time, so I spent much more than I had to, so hopefully everything is good. I'm going soon on a trip, so I got a few new things. Let's see. Okay, this one looks like a dress. I know which one it is. It looks like this. This is the top, super nice, and you just need to kind of tie it up here at the top. Let's see how it fits. Guys, it's a really nice dress, but it's not for me. The boob area is just too much. I really don't want it so much because you can see absolutely everything. And I'm really sad because I'm hoping this will fit properly, but it's a no. It's a big no. I can't even show it in camera. It's just a lot. But let me show you the dress because honestly, for somebody else, this might be amazing. Even if it doesn't fit well on me, it looks really beautiful. Material looks good. It has like double fabric just to make sure it's not see-through, which I appreciate a lot because nowadays everything is see-through. It looks really well done, even though you can see a few loose things around it. But overall, it's a pretty nice dress, and actually I'm going to keep it and give it to somebody else because I think it can really look nice. For me, sadly, when I wear things that are too open, they don't look good on me. I'm not a kind of person that likes showing off her chest area so much. Somebody else seriously might enjoy this dress. It's really beautiful. So let's check what else we have here. We have too much, honestly. Okay, we got a black shirt, I believe. Let's see. Actually in ground, it's a dress. It's a long, beautiful fitted dress. This is how the side of it looks. Really nice. Let's try it. I was really looking forward to try this one. Guys, this is how it looks like. Overall, I don't like it. The fabric feels cheap. It's much longer than I thought. It doesn't fit well, but at least it doesn't sit well on my body. Maybe if I will have gotten it in a smaller size, maybe, but not. For this dress, if you like it, you need to go one size down, certainly. I could make it work if I wanted to, but I really don't want it to. So let's try the next item. Okay, let's check the next item. Hopefully it's a t-shirt. I bought a couple of working out clothes because I needed them, so let's check. Really nice. I love the size of it. Pretty stretchy, which is super good. Let's try it on. It's not bad, it's pretty stretchy. I thought it was going to be much bigger just because when I work out I like loose t-shirts, but it's tight, it's fine. It's just my personal preference, but it's a good t-shirt, feels good, nothing to complain about. It's a nice t-shirt. Let's check the next item. Not sure what it is, but let's figure out. So, guys, winter is coming to Australia and I needed some long sleeve t-shirts, so I got a few ones. It's not what I was expecting. It's not the fabric I was expecting. Pretty elastic, which is good. It's a pretty basic white t-shirt. I was just expecting another kind of fabric, but that's fine. I think I will do the job. I will try it on anyway. A bit see-through again, so I guess it's how it is. This is how it looks, pretty simple. We need to have basic t-shirts because if not, we always buy different things. And after you go to wardrobe and you don't have anything basic, so blacks, whites, browns are so important to have in your wardrobe. The next item, it's I believe the same t-shirt in a blue color. Let's see if it actually looks the same. Feels the same and it's going to be the same. I will try it anyway on for you. Exactly the same t-shirt. My makeup doesn't go with this color, but that's fine. I think it's a beautiful color for those sad, rainy, wintry days. It just gives you that burst of energy that you need or happiness that you need. At least that happens to me every time that I wear colorful things. I feel much happier. So same in blue. Love it. Let's see what else we got. Another blue t-shirt? I'm not sure. Oh no, it's a dress and it's not what I was expecting. This is it, guys. Super beautiful. It's not the material I was expecting. It's really elastic. Looks cheaper than I thought. On the website looks gorgeous, elegant, but hey, it's not the same anyway. It seems like it's really well done. The fabric is completely different from the actual dress to the arms. Kind of weird. Let's see how it looks. Let me tell you something, guys. I'm not being lucky with the dresses. It looks not good. First of all, my chest is about to explode. Second of all, what on earth is this fabric? Looks for carnival or something like that. Look at the sleeves. If the whole dress will have this fabric, will be nice, but doesn't make any sense this from this. It's zero Temu. I'm so disappointed. We have another white t-shirt. Apparently, I just want white t-shirts. Let's open it. Yes, this is a simple basic white t-shirt, pretty stretchy as well. It's the same as the one that I just tried, but with short sleeve. I'm not going to be trying it because you guys have already seen the long sleeve one and it's just the same with short sleeve. So let's move on to something else. I believe it's another shirt, but in pink. Let's try it. I believe that I bought the same t-shirt in 3 different colors just to have something for winter. This pink goes really well with my skin tone. Love pink on me. So happy with it, not trying it again because you guys have seen the white and the blue ones. I'm not going to be trying it on again, but again, same t-shirts. Let me tell you something new. Let's go, something black. Okay, seems like another black dress. Let's try it on. Okay, this one seems a bit better, but still the fabric is shit. I'm sorry to say that, but it looks so cheap. I don't know what's going on with the dresses. They're not good at all. They look so cheap, they feel cheap. This one just goes around your neck just to hold the boob area. I like it because it's not open and looks better on me. I need to say that this one fits better to the body. It's not oversized, so we have improved a little bit. Let's see. So this is how I look, guys. A bit short, feels good in the body. I feel comfortable with it. It just looks cheap though. Let's see what else we got. Another dress, you got it. I really needed dresses to go on holidays, but I think I just have one that I can maybe use. Let's see this one. It feels a bit better. This is how it looks. Looks pretty cute on the website and hopefully it feels the same way on me. Guys, it's not bad at all. I mean, feels cheap? Yes, it does, 100%. It's really well done, which I'm happy with. Let me know, guys, what you think about it. This is how it looks. I'm actually pretty happy. It's pretty short, as you can see, but I'm pretty happy with it. I think actually I'm going to be wearing this one, so let's check the last item. So let's see what it is, because I don't even know anymore. It's just the bra, super cute. The back looks like this. And I'm not trying it on because I'm quite shy to wear those kind of things in front of people, but I'm 100% going to like it. I have bought this kind of sport bras before from Temu, and honestly, they feel good. They hold everything they need to hold, so super happy with it. Guys, that was everything for today. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below which one do you like the most, and if you actually have tried any dresses from Temu that I should be getting, because I'm not happy with the ones I bought. But anyway, thank you very much for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy.